giờ nó là đuổi ba là cháu lo rồi nè cháu chơi lo rồi
Looks like Goose made a tackle, custom auto in the truck. Hydraulic repair. Top four move on.
chị tới tao kho đua đâu để tôi lo tôi tập nhé rồi à
All pit people on the stage, back up. Last time I'm going to say it. If you don't, you're all leaving. All right, countdown from 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
sắp lên trả luôn
That wheel start on the 4014.
lúc nào nó đi kia bó trả á lúc thì nó là dây kia bó trả á và thế này
A 44 driver. They're spread out. David Alkey's on the main. Sean, you gonna come out there?
cho nên tôi muốn nó là cha tử cho nên
Sean will get some of the assistance. David Alkey. Chain him, pull him off.
Sơn lâu tì đô chá tờ đó.
And slowly there, helping out. These winch down there pretty
Ở
good.
trên đó người ta đã chá lúc nào tờ.
So it's about 2 feet of a paint down. He's got a 3-wheeler. LP. That should be interesting. That's not any relation to you, is it, Greg? There we go. Get Sean back in his spot.
Karena tahu lah ya kan sin đầu đó
Top 4 moving on to the feature event. And we're set. We're ready to go. We're going to push the 49.5 off too. There you go, son. Hey, you Hilltop Auto Wrecking. All right, ready to go. 1 flag, you got 2 flags, 3 flags, we're ready to go. Let's count it down from 3, 2, 1.
lọt bóng rồi, lúc liên liên rồi lọt bóng rồi. Lu liên liên ở đây này.
Track that needs to be on. I can't really put it by the bumper. I don't think that 44 Alki has. I think he has one tire left. The top two tires are off the knee. See, the other one is gone, but he's still running. That's unbelievable. See, a guy can run with no tires. The wolves a 4-wheeler, now we got a 1-wheeler. All right. from 3, 2, 1, let's go. 777 home again. Down 4, no line.
ลองเล่นตาเลยเหรอเนี่ย
Mike Marshall, 94. You take it away. Here goes 60.
London John này nhông rồi đấy. London John này nhông rồi đấy. Một chiếc tàu rồi nha.
49 and a half gone. I believe we got 5 left.
Chạy cho nó cho chi luôn nè.
All right, get off the track. Countdown from 3. Get off the track. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, demo. Look at it. Oh, the 11's got a right front. That's not the one. That's Rob Weinstock. Ooh, move down there. $11.77, 23 speed, 94 still going on. You gotta get that one knocked out to make the future. Some lights in the 11 of Rob Weinstock. Oh, the 23 speed. On the 11, Weinstock. Yeah, that right front tire, someone might want to go take that one off. 23 speed is Moran staying in Andre's car. He might get a hit there. Maybe I'll bring him a farm. There it is. You check in. 23 feet out of there from Moran. Well, that just pushed it down further now. Weinstock. Broken it. Right on the 3. You check Marshall.
Hai bé của hai là Vân đến tàu hàng xa.
So moving on. Dvorak, the 94 Newman, Marshall, and Utech are moving on for their feature event later on. This round one.
แต่นะผมว่า
Just took
ผมว่าจะโฟร์ไซน์เลยนะเราจะไปใช้เลยเนาะใช่ไหม
to the Wisconsin Valley Fair. Get your 50-50 tickets. Pick on them. And a little bit here for Peyton's Promise. DJ Scott's plays us some beats.
แต่น่าจะเยอะส่วนรถแท็กเตอร์น่ะหลังกาจะปวดนะแต่ใช่ไหม If there's a torch, a truck, then this is a torch, a truck, then